Hi everybody, my name is Cherie Barar, and I just wanted to quickly talk about why it is that I'm following in my father's footsteps by becoming a self-employed business owner. My dad, Steve Martin, owner-operator of Wapple Valley Heating, serving southwest New Hampshire and southern Vermont, as their oil heat and hot water technician, has been doing so for 10 years by providing outstanding customer service, by providing a solution to an immediate problem, and my favorite and dearest to my heart is by educating his customers so they can make an informed decision either immediately or in years to come. Now, my dad, prior to being a business owner, worked for a small company in our hometown as an oil heat technician. And he would go out on service calls every day and find out that he wasn't always the first technician on the job, sometimes not even the second or third. And he was learning from his customers that they were being billed for service calls from other companies, but there was no solution to their problem. So he would listen to his client or his customers, he'd listen to them, and then he would go and he would properly diagnose and clean, replace, rebuild, or repair the problem within their system. And then he would test it to make sure that it was actually the correct solution, and then make sure it was running optimally. And in time, these customers started to personally refer my father to their friends and family. Why? Because he was saving them money on multiple service calls, and their system was working more efficiently, burning less fuel throughout the year. So my dad has a motto: I don't sell oil, I save it. And it's true. He's the engineer. And based on referrals alone, my father has accumulated over 1,000 customers and was able to start his own business with integrity because he didn't end up taking any customers with him from his company, which is incredible in its own. So today, after 10 years of personal development and building from all of these wonderful morals and values instilled upon me by my family, thanks to my immediate family and my extended family, being incredible role models, I am able to now serve others, and nothing makes me happier. So, as a self-employed business owner, I am now able to extend savings and value onto you and give you the education and information you need to make an informed decision either immediately or in the future. So stay tuned, and I'm going to unveil what it is that I'm doing, and I'm sure it's going to put a smile on your face because this is something I know you already love to do. So I would appreciate your comments down below. And I just want to say thank you to all my friends and family for all your support and love over the years that have helped me to become the person that I am today. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.